So for anyone who thinks this motorcycle lark isn't glamorous, here we go, another day in the rain. And for anyone who's taking a look, we'll just post some pictures from last night when Jazz came out and the bikes were covered in snow and we were wondering whether we were actually going to get back today. So there we go, nice and misty up there as well. So just thought we'd show you the beautiful scenery, the stunning scenery. How lovely is that? There you go. Yeah, that river's become slightly more active, hasn't it? It's a cool mural on the wall, isn't it? It turns out we might actually be getting to the part of the country that's actually had the snow. So here's hoping that the cafe is open for breakfast. It looks like there's people inside. There you go. My wife, the fire breather. But we knew that anyway. Right, stop and get some scran, I think. So that is quite impressive up there. Let's take it easy in case there's any on the road. Yeah. Take it easy. Definitely gotten thick around here. I can imagine them people in the car behind. Look at them mad bastards in front. That bit in the road where it made the bike bounce. Yeah. My mirrors are fogged up. Never had that before. It's going to make for some good footage anyway. So guys, when you're watching our videos on YouTube, you can call us whatever names you want, but you're not allowed to call us fair weather bikers. I like that, it hits 30 mile an hour on the bit where the snow disappears. So, beautiful Easter Bank Holiday Monday on the way back. So guys, the only problem with coming away at the weekend when the weather's crap is I don't think I've ever seen my bikes are dirty. I'm going to have to clean them, look at that. Right, take it easy. Yeah.
Yeah, give us a ring
Take
when
it
you
easy. I will do.
go. Alright. Yeah, and what's that she's looking?
Yeah, take it easy. You just carry on down to 53. Yeah, we'll turn off. Right, Dad, it was a great weekend. I'll speak to you later. Okay guys, so I'm not convinced how much fun the footage is going to be. Sat on the motorway, we've had some traffic and we've had the traffic moving now, so don't necessarily think we'll do much more filming on the way back. So hopefully get a chance to put this video for this weekend together in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, and if you liked it, please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. But until then, from me and Jazz and my dad, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll speak to you soon.